too.
Why are you going to jail?
Don't take pictures of me.
Did you go in there and get some Twinks, get some pizza? I ain't waiting that fucking long.
Did you say get some Twinks?
Problem. Look at
Alright, it's gonna be just as long.
Why don't you, if you're gonna go, no, if you're gonna get, I can't even talk right. Oh look, he's laughing.
I'm not laughing.
I don't think it's funny.
I don't think it's funny either.
If you're gonna,
I was waiting outside for you and
this time of
Casey.
night, go to Luigi's.
I saw them push Brandon.
It's in town.
They pushed me while they were at it. I was on the ground. 3 dudes had
See,
to
look,
pull me
he comes
from
here. He comes here all the way from that.
Then I saw them fighting.
Hey, Asian boy.
To find his
Yes.
I
friends.
own nothing.
Go in there, get us pizza. We can go home, eat the pizza, and we can sleep.
To find his friends drunk and fucking.
Order like a good pizza, and then
Hi.
someone like a white pizza. They'll like it.
Hi.
Right.
Hi. So one with
I want
everything.
some veggies, bitch.
So one with.
Veggies.
Right.
So
white
one.
pizza.
So one with everything on it, and then one with like pepperoni.
I don't
No,
want anything.
he wants Italian sausage.
Okay, Italian sausage. What are we ordering? Oh god. Okay.
Why are you turning it on me?
Because you're not saying anything.
I know, that's a good thing.